Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you are choosing between the Xiaomi X10 Plus, X20 Pro and X20 Plus vacuum, here how they compare. All three offer powerful suction, smart mapping, mop drying, auto dust collection and water refilling. But the X20 Pro stand out with its 10 mm mop lift compared to 7 mm on the X20 Plus and include advanced features like RGB camera, S-Cross AI for better obstacle detection, and Zero AI voice support. The X10 Plus is also packed with high-end features like auto mop lifting, dual rotary mops, and hot air drying, plus carpet detection, edge cleaning, and HEPA filtration. But it lacks newer AI functions. The X20 Plus, while slightly more budget-friendly, still includes strong essentials like multi-map support, detachable base, quick mapping, and voice assistant support. But the mop lift is slightly less, and it lacks the RGB camera found in the Pro model. Overall, if you want the most advanced AI and smart home feature, you go for X20 Pro for solid performance at a better value. The X10 Plus or X20 Plus are excellent choices. The average price range from $800 to $1,200 with the X20 Pro at the top. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.